Yo, what's happening? What it do, my people? So it's your boy Chance Jollibee, aka Smooth, back with another video. So today we got some shoes.
New shoes, new shoes. Boy, Nike makes some good shoes.
And this right here isn't nothing that comes from a company or anything, man. This is something that I purchased. I've been wanting these for a long time. And I finally pulled the trigger, man. Finally found a price that was good enough. That was a very good price. So jumped on them, man. They got authenticated and stuff. So finally came. It took a while because the seller didn't ship them for like a week. And then shipping and stuff, man. Going from like the West Coast. They sent them all the way to like New Jersey to get authenticated. And then back down here to Louisiana. So it took a long time, like 16 days or something, man. But finally got them in my possession. So let's take a look. Big box on deck. So you see that, man. Come straight from eBay. Let's see what the pack looking like. Alright, so let's cut it open, man. Check it out. No razzle dazzle or anything, because this is a purchase item and this isn't anything new. This is something that came out a good little minute ago. Check out eBay authenticity. Authentic without a doubt. So I do authentic shoes and stuff on the channel, man. Like anyways, why is this so dusty? Why is this so dusty, man? They just came in. But oh well, let's get past the dust and open these things up. So trophy room. And so this is my second pair of trophy rooms, man. And let's see if, I don't know if this has all the bells and whistles and stuff. I don't know if they added all the little extras. But they got the shoes looking at they are pre-owned. But they got the blue laces. Got the red laces. They got the little ting right there. So got that. So check that out, man. The trophy rooms got the white laces in them. Like, they don't look too bad. They don't look too bad, man, with the white laces. I don't know what I'm gonna go with. In my mind, I had blue laces. In my mind, I had the blue laces because the white laces make them look too much like the Carmines. And shout out to me and my kicks, man. Whenever he came visit, I said that this was a pair that I was gonna try to get, and he was kind of like, but I'm like, man, this is what I want. So I've been wanting these, man. This pair, it went through authentication and stuff. It passed, but like they do have a little bit of dirtiness to them. So I will, even though this is like a new buck of suede or something, I'm still gonna after I do this video, I'm gonna clean these things. But like, don't have to do like a very like detailed type thing, because y'all have seen these shoes before. These aren't anything new. Probably isn't anything special to y'all. And man, I've got a few pairs from the eBay. I still don't know how to do the scan thing. Like, I've never scanned an eBay pair of shoes and been like, oh, this is authentic. And I don't know how to do it. But anyways, so you see them, like they. Maybe I should have dropped a few more dollars and got just a brand new pair. But hey, these was like $130 plus shipping and stuff. So hey, I saved about $100. And I think once I put some more scrubbing on them, they're gonna come out a little bit better. So I feel a little bit better with them. I don't even like to put these by my face because these seem like they got a little bit of wear to them. But I'm gonna clean these things up, man. So I really don't even want to do an on foot without cleaning them first. So I'm gonna clean these and let them dry. Even with the, I'm gonna take these laces out. I'm gonna put the other laces in just because the other laces seem clean. Like, I might go with the red laces just because the red laces are like, well, I don't know. The red laces like still in the baggie, like they look like they haven't been touched. So that's kind of why I want to go with the red laces. But the blue laces, maybe they didn't wear those. Maybe they just threw those in the bag. So I kind of want to go for the blue laces, just to give it that red, white, and blue Olympic type feel. But anyways, man, like, just want to show y'all that something that I've been wanting and stuff, man, and was able to add these to the collection. So this is my second pair of trophy rooms. The other ones I have the 16s, them blue ones, and happy with both purchases, man. Like, both got them from pre-owned and stuff. The other one I don't have the box. Like this one I got the box and stuff, so I'm happy about that. But anyways, man, like, cut this short. Try to do a little something with the camera angles and stuff, man. A little something different. But anyways, like, comment, subscribe. Gonna be the greatest or the most hated. I'll let your boy. Peace. Before I get into the on foot section of the video, so undid the shoelaces and stuff, man. I really didn't even put any water on them. What I did, I just dry brushed the shoe and got a lot of the bullish off. You see that red is looking pretty good. I didn't want to put any water on them because it's look like it might bleed, or it's just like the suede is very like sensitive. So I just dry brushed them. But the white shoelaces, I will wash those. I took the insoles out. I will put water on those and clean those, and like try to deodorize the shoe, like sanitize the shoe, and then I'm gonna put them on feet and stuff, man. So just trying to get the germs and everything off. So that is my cleaning apparatus, like the way. And I'm probably gonna put the blue laces in. So